Hey there, welcome back to a code. Whether you are new or want to brush up on your JavaScript skills, then this project is absolutely for you. Today we are diving into something fun project. Welcome to project number 4 of 30 beginners project. In this application, we are going to build how to enter text into input box and output it when you click on the button. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on notification so you never miss out on our future content. First of all, create three files like index.html, script.js, and style.css. In index.js, write boilerplate code. We creating a app called pass the message. Give it as a title. Before it, we are using a icon. For that, include link of it inside your HTML code. We are copy link from CDN, paste it. After that, link your CSS file. Right. After that, link your script file. Yes, script.js. Create a inside body. Create a main section. Inside it, create a div with class container. Inside it, create a div with ID. Create a div with ID message. After that, create a h3. Have title of our page, pass the message. Give inline CSS to it. Style equal to text align. Center. Font weight bold. Okay, done. After that, create a underline below it. For that, we are taking paragraph tag and giving it inline CSS border 2 pixel solid gray. Okay, gray, good. After that, taking label for a message. Enter message. What you want to write, it's a label for your input. Take PR. Under it, we are creating button. For in button, we give inline CSS border radius 5 pixel, 0 pixel, 5 pixel, and here inside button we are using message icon. Going on Fantasm website, search here for email, like we get email icon. Wait for a second. Select icon, copy, paste it here. After that, take input. After that, button, take input tag for text, give it id, message input, take br tag, br, one more br, take here a button with id, submit and submit. Okay, yes. This is our button and this is envelope image icon, sorry. Now we are going to style it in style.css. Let's design this page. Body, background, take a background, linear gradient, take a red, w white, take some shade of red. Okay. Overflow hidden. After that, apply CSS to buttons, view button, width equal to fit content, padding, take padding equal to 8 pixel, outline, none, cursor, pointer, when we go there, gives pointer, border, one pixel, solid gray, light gray. Border radius equal to 5 pixel, background equal to like white smoke. This is CSS for our button, this and these two button. After that, button on hover, when we hover on button, it's changing color. Let's make it background color equal to RGBA 0.1. When we are going to hover, it makes little black or reddish. After that, container, writing CSS for container width equal to 95%. Okay, margin equal to auto, height equal to 100 VH, display, making display flex, justify content, center, align item center, all is in center. After that, write CSS for message. And now we are writing CSS for this message. Right. Message border 1 pixel, solid light gray, solid GST light gray. Make background white smoke, border radius 5 pixel, width 500 pixel, height auto, margin auto, padding, top and bottom 0, left right 20 pixel, box shadow 0 pixel, 2 pixel, 4 pixel, top left bottom right, RGBA, make it transparent 0, we are getting a little shadow. Let's write CSS for message input. Take width of 90 pixel, 90%, sorry, 90% right. Padding, say 8 pixel, let's take 8 pixel, 0 pixel, left right. Outline, none. Border, 1 pixel, solid light gray, GRA gray, light gray, and border radius 5 pixel, taking 5 pixel. Border bottom radius, border bottom left, border bottom left radius equal to 0, right. After that, border bottom radius, bottom left radius 0. Okay, make it after that writing script for when we write something here. Then after clicking submit, then it appear next under the submit button. So we are going to write a script for that. First of all, we getting this input box. How we can take it from here, input, and we are give it ID message input. Copy here, copy it from here. Now document dot query selector, we are giving ID press #5, control V, message input dot add event listener, key down, enter, down, fire an event, if event dot key equal to enter. After pressing enter, get a message. We getting the message after pressing enter. After that, document dot query selector, submit. We are taking that submit ID. After clicking on it, like dot adding event listener, on click, click, writing arrow function, get message, or pressing enter or clicking on submit button. We fire an function called get message, right? Let's write get message function. How we get message? Get message function. You can write arrow function, document dot query selector message output dot text content dot text content equal to document dot query selector message input. Message input put message input dot value. We are not getting it. For that, document dot query selector hash message input dot value. Let's try it. For example, hello, and enter. We get the output. For example, we try. And press enter. We get the output.